Welcome to Thunder Mountain. Originally opened September 1979. This is one of the most popular rides here in Disneyland, and you're really going to enjoy it. We're going to take you along the whole line experience, as well as a full ride-along point of view from the first row. So buckle up and get ready for the wildest ride in the West. You should know about is the famous goat trick. If you keep your eyes fixed on the audio animatronic goat named Billy, the G-forces will create a unique sensation of being flushed or spinning. I don't know if we want to do that or not, but we're sure going to try. There's a few other things. This is a steel roller coaster. It is probably similar but smoother than the Matterhorn or the original Space Mountains. This is set in Rainbow Ridge, and it is a replica of an old mine train going through that town. There are some authentic artifacts that you're going to find and some great music. Look for a couple of things. Willard B. Heap Mounds in the Marshal's office, some hidden Mickeys, as well as some other fun stuff. Here we have a lightning lane, so you'll see what that's like. It's definitely the way to do it. I'll just show you a little bit of the queue area. I'm actually loving the lightning lane. Otherwise, as I told you before, this is a super popular ride, and I enjoy the line area. I particularly enjoy it going through the lightning lane. We're glad we made this plan. This is definitely one of the harder ones to get. You're going to want to do this earlier. So you can see artifacts and other things that are part of the ride as you go through the lightning lane. And I think we're getting closer. Even in the lightning lane, you're going to wait a little bit. But totally, totally worth it. And this is a super fun ride. So I'm going to ask a question of everyone. Do you think we should try to sit in the front if we can? I agree. We'll certainly ask. Here's some copper trailings. I don't know that they're actually copper trailings, but we'll see. Here you go. We're going to wait in line for a couple of minutes, but this is the line area. We are getting closer by the moment. Second, and always be looking up at these flashing lights. It means the train's about to leave, which is exactly what's happening right now. I hope they make it back. There, it's happening again. You see the flashing? There they go. It's going to be our turn really soon, so let's get ready. Today we're going to be riding Big Thunder Railroad number 7. We're really lucky. We are, of course, thank you. We are right behind the engine. We are in row 1. Who's ready for that? Now here's a thing you can put your belongings in, but we're not afraid, are we? No.
I had to cancel.
Now we are in car number 7.
Welcome aboard. Make sure your items are secure.
All right, this is the last time we may see this town. I hope we make it out of here.
Partners, for your safety, maintain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and make sure to watch your kids.
There it is. It's blinking. It's time for us to go. I love hearing that guy.
Hold on to yourself.
I'm already getting nervous. Wow, look at that color. inside. I think something scary is going to happen. We have to watch for that goat too. Oh, here's the goat. Let's try it, okay? Remember that trick we talked about? Oh, that actually works! Oh, that's super scary. Oh, be careful doing the goat trick. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, okay. Well, I guess that's it. Was probably the goat trick. I've never done that, but if you keep looking at the goat when you turn, oh, you're gonna feel like you're spinning big time. We're coming back to a whole other town and a whole other track. Totally worth the line. Definitely recommend Lightning Lane if you can. And thanks for joining us here in row 1. As always, we try to get you up close and personal. Thanks so much for riding Thunder Mountain, guys.
It says and then
even as you walk through the exit, you're going to find this is probably one of my very favorite rides here at Disneyland or Disney World or any of the other Disney parks. You'll find it's well themed, always popular. Another pro trick that you might consider is to go and do this at nighttime. That is a whole other experience. We'll try to do that another time for you. We'll just show you a little bit of footage before we wrap it for this morning. There they come. Oh, that was amazing. Hey, thanks so much for joining, guys. I hope you've enjoyed riding in row 1 as much as we've enjoyed filming this. Here they come. That's amazing. This is definitely one of the more popular lines. Right now, if you did not have a Lightning Lane, and it is about 11 o'clock in the morning, you'd be looking at a 60-minute wait. And again, this is in the end of March. And as you can see, let me see if I can show you in this app. I don't know. It's pretty much always a good wait. At 11 o'clock here in March, you're going to find the normal wait is about 60 minutes or more. It's a super popular ride. It's well run. And with that, we're going to say goodbye for right now. I hope you've enjoyed the ride. We sure did. And we'll see you around real soon. For a ride that's not quite 40 yet, I'm going to tell you this one is really aged and grown and matured in the best way. I think I'm ready to find a way to go on this one again.